Hello everybody, it's Virtual Truck Driver Daily time. Clap, 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 clap. We are of course proudly supported as always by Pro Mods, Night Haulage and DDS Haulage. How are we doing today, guys? No shout outs today because it's going to be a weird one again. There we go. Whee! Round the roundabout, there we go. We are actually off to go and get a trailer that's a little bit away. I think it's something like 70 kilometers or something. Should really reset the trip, but oh well. Frankly. So yeah, guys, we're travelling just a little bit away to get to our trailer. I honestly don't know why they didn't give me one, but it was in city, but okay. You know, can't always get what we want, I suppose. It does look like... oh, excuse me. Oh, excuse me, that carrying. Luke said, it does look like it's the quarry, I think, which doesn't help. But it is what it is at the end of the day. So they've told me to go get the trailer from there, and that's where I'm going to go. You know, you can't always get what you want, can you? So bit of give and take, really. As much as I wouldn't want to take Marco down the quarry, they've got to then counter that with, well, I need to get paid. I need to get paid for the load, really. So you know what I mean. So it's all about life is about balance. You know, the left hand takes from the right hand, but then the left hand gives the right hand some back to balance it all out. And that's the way that society and the world and life is. Down to 50. Perfect. So yeah, how much fuel have we got left? 850 kilometers, we'll call it. Yeah, I need to get some fuel this trip. I think we're going where we're going to a garage anyway. But the question is, I probably won't get there until after I run out of fuel. Yeah, again, life's about balance. Do I get a little bit and then get a lot when I'm at the place I'm delivering, or do I get a lot and then just top off when I'm at the place? It's more than likely I'm going to get a lot and then just top off. But yeah, that's what it is. Do 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 do. And down here, Bolden, which is where we're going, which is down here. Let's all follow the coach. The coach isn't gonna go right, it's gonna go round. Eh? Why's the coach going right? Oh, it's a bus. Oh. What? I'll be back in a minute. Hello everybody, welcome back. Oh, excuse me. Sorry for cutting that last bit off before, but as you heard in the background, my dad was back. I had to go shopping, so yeah. Shopping. Oh, got hiccups today, sorry. I do apologise if you can hear me hiccups. I don't know why I've got hiccups, because I never... well... so I'm struggling to swallow at the minute as well, so I just... oh, for God's sake. I don't know why it's doing it. It's just making it really, really uncomfortable for me at the minute. So yeah, my dad was back when we went shopping, so... yeah. All the good things in life, but yeah, let's get started with... I forgot to excuse me. Let's get started with where we're going today, guys. So we're going to Aurich, which is a Shell depot in Germany. And so yeah, we're going to go there. Stop sign. I ain't gonna lie, guys. I'm gonna come back in a couple of minutes when I can actually swallow. So give me 2 minutes and I'll be back. Yeah, guys, how we doing? Hopefully I can swallow again now. I can easier. So yeah, let's try and get through this. We are got 25 tons of Niedermeyer groupage, whatever that is. I don't know if it's Dutch or German. I'm going to Aurich, and it's a Shell depot. It's one of the places where you can drop off and not, you know, not pick anything up. So looking forward to that. I don't think I've got enough fuel to get there, so I'm going to have to fill up. But the plan was to fill up there with them. I don't think I've got enough. So I'm going to fill up again in a minute. That's the plan. But yeah, so I hope you're all doing well. It's been a few days, as I'm sure you can, as sure as you can tell. It's been a few days since I recorded the first bit. Just gonna let that truck in front of me just get a bit of a gap on me, so I don't have to keep braking every 30 seconds. Would be. It's time for flipping. So I'm trying to set the sat nav up. It's not having it. Oh, this is too late. Yeah, I can't see anything. But yeah, there'll be no GoPro today, guys, I don't think. It's, I can't at the minute, as the office of what we called it, my old bedroom's being turned into an office. Well, that's starting today. I'm more than likely going to be probably going offline for a few days. Obviously this won't matter to you, because hopefully I'll be back before the next episode. So let's just hope for the best with that one. But yes, finally getting done. Can't wait. I think we're removing the rig, and I think we're rebuilding it as well. I'm not too sure, not 100% on that one, excuse me. So yeah, as you can tell, I got the hiccups. It's really painful. I forgot to, we've got 1,228 kilometers to go. So yeah, nice plodding along. Lift the trailer, lift the trailer axle, lift the mid-lift axle. Don't need it on the motorway. You know, wear and tear and all that. But yeah, as you can tell, this is really it's really cringy. I can't stop hiccuping, so I'm gonna jump off for a little bit. I'll come back in a little while with a live piece, but I mean it'll be like this, but with music instead of it being the GoPro. So I will see you just a tad later on. So see you in a little bit, guys. Alright guys, welcome back. How you doing? We're just gonna go into Malmo. For some reason the sat-nav's routed me the wrong way, so I don't know if the road's closed or what. But the sat-nav's routing me this way, so we shall follow said sat-nav. Though I will admit, it's very quiet. It's normally full here, because this is literally like one of the, probably one of the last two junctions in Sweden before you cross into Denmark, over that really nice bridge that we're gonna go on in a minute, that goes under the sea and in the air and all that. If you haven't guessed, I've obviously still got hiccups. This is ridiculous. I ain't got chicken pox, I've got shingles. If I ain't got shingles, I've got chest infection. If I ain't got chest infection, I've got skin infection. That was close. If I haven't got a skin infection, I've got some sort of rash. If I ain't got a rash, I've got hiccups. And then if I ain't got hiccups, I can't swallow. So, it's just all a pain in the bum at the minute. Oh, excuse me. I'm gonna go because I'm gonna be sat there for hours. But yeah guys, so I hope you enjoying this hiccup episode. No. genuinely can't swallow. Trouble, you know where I'm getting the ferry from, so am I going this way? Oh no, I'm getting it from Robbie. Oh, for God's sake. Getting it from Rob. I'm trying to work out where I'm supposed to get this ferry from. I think it's Rodbeny or somewhere like that. Okay, so we're going all the way around. Oh, sat nav. Alright, let's go. Petersburg. Don't know what Borg means in Swedish. I'm not even going to try and hazard a guess at it. So if you're Swedish and you know what Borg is, can you let me know? Because I don't know. But yeah. So day 2 of the hiccups. No, I'm only messing. I've had the hiccups this morning. Tram. Hello. Oh look, it's a toll booth. Well, it's accelerating because it's a toll booth. Which one are the automatic ones? For God's sake. Which ones are the automatic ones? I'm gonna go with this one because it's green. Oh, for God's sake. Yep. Beep, beep, beep. Posties just dropped something through the letter box. This is the bridge I was telling you about. It goes over the bridge to that little island that you can see sort of like there, and then we go underneath the sea. It's quite cool. It's one of the things I'd like to see in real life. There's a KLM 747 landing. That's some sort of wind farm. Got one of them in Skeggy, big one. My KLM flight's just landed. Actually, that's one of the things I don't see a lot in this game. Airplanes taking off. I don't know, is it just easier for the animation for him to be coming down? I'm not too sure. Denmark, we are in Denmark, boys and girls. So now we're going under the sea. Oh, for God's sake. Tell you what, I'm really getting annoyed with this right now. I'm not gonna lie, I'm probably just gonna finish off this episode and go to sleep for a few days, I think. Excuse me. It's really doing my head in. It's like I just said to you, if I ain't suffering with one thing, I'm suffering with another thing, and that's on top of my chronic illnesses as well. All I want is to have a couple of thousand subscribers on my YouTube channel, to make nice videos, to make sure my sisters and my dad aren't poorly. You know, that's all I ask for. I'm not asking for £1 million. I'm not asking to win the lottery. I'm not asking for a brand new Aston Martin. I'm not asking for a big fancy house. That's all I'm asking. It's not fair, but we've got to play the cards that have been dealt to us. The cards life is dealt. Excuse me. So yeah, it's just insane. Don't know what to do next. Don't know how far away I am from Trollwalk. Do you know what I want to do? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to shut up. Oh, that was a big one. I'm going to shut up and just leave this running, and then I'll fade it out when we're at Trollwalk. Or Rodby, I don't know what you call it, but yeah, so that's my plan. So just to thank you to everybody for watching today's Virtual Truck Driver Daily. Hopefully there should be some news coming into your ears in 2, 1, hopefully now. And I will see you all again tomorrow. Oh, excuse me. Well, I'll have enough now. I'll see you all again tomorrow, guys. Thanks for watching. Enjoy this little outro.